From now on, present your work samples like this. Using this extension in the Chrome browser, we take screenshots of the entire page of our website. Then we need to go to the Mockup Cloud site and find and download the laptop mockup. After downloading the mockup file, open it in Photoshop. Find the screen layer and double-click on it. We'll place a screenshot of our sample work here. And press Ctrl+S to save the file. After saving, we return to the mockup file and see that we have placed our sample into the mockup. Then click on the file in the upper left corner and save our file. Now, you can use this photo as a template for your website design work. Subscribe my channel for more trick and video.